Hi, we're Darius and LeGrand of DIY Power Couple, and in today's video, we're going to share with you an easy DIY.
Yes, very easy. We're going to show you how we installed a bathroom hook for my extra large shower cap.
If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here you'll find DIY inspiration for your next project.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too. So let me tell you how this project came about. It's because I needed a place to put my extra large shower cap. And no, this is not sponsored. I love my shower cap. It came with a plastic hook like this, like the command hooks. But over time in the bathroom, the moisture made it fall off. And so that's why today we're going to be installing a hook. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. This shower cap is great, especially if you have a lot of hair. What I like about it is you can put it on like this. And then there's a drawstring. Once you get it all in, how you like it, you can pull the drawstring and make it nice and watertight. Yes, so I love this. And if you have had issues finding a shower cap that can fit your head, this is the one.
These are the tools that we used for this project. This is just a standard hook that came with 2 screws.
I was so excited and I wanted the hook to be in the perfect spot. Because we were installing the hook on drywall, I had to find where the stud was. It just so happened that the stud was not in the place that I initially measured. But it still was okay. So the next thing I wanted to do was make sure my spot was perfectly centered.
For this project, we used a Phillips head attachment on our impact drill.
We decided we were going to use the screw to make our hole instead of a drill bit. I was having a hard time because I had to apply more pressure to the drill to get the screw to go through the stud.
We could tell that we were drilling through the stud because if we were just drilling through the drywall, it would have gone through too easy.
I made a hole with the screw where we had marked the spot. Then I added the hook and screwed it in.
I know that it was a little bit hard to use that impact drill.
Yes, it kept moving the way I wasn't wanting it to. After drilling the first screw, I used a leveler to mark the location for the second screw. The bubble floats in between the lines when the hook is level.
For this being your first time using the impact drill, you did a great job.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you because you took your time so that you wouldn't strip the screw. Stripping the screw happens when the top is damaged so much that it's very hard to remove the screw.
Yeah, I chose this hook because the style is a 2-prong robe hook, and I like it because I can hang my shower cap and my face cloth.
I wanted to tighten the screws, but you have to be careful with the impact drill because it can slip. No, I jabbed it.
That's okay. If you're going to do DIY, remember, Give yourself grace to make mistakes. I was so pleased with this project, we decided to install another hook on our bathroom door. We're going to use these instead, so they're going to be a different color.
We used shorter screws that we had so that we wouldn't damage the door.
This time I didn't use my measuring tools, I just went for it. For this door, there was no need for us to use anchors.
The nice thing about DIY is that you're always learning and growing from your projects.
For me, pushing the screw into the door was harder than pushing the screw into the drywall stud.
I made the hole and then unconsciously reversed the drill when I gave it to you.
I didn't realize power drills could turn opposite ways. This project taught me that I need to make sure the drill is turning clockwise for installing screws. I was trying to learn the technique of holding the screw, but I was getting tired and frustrated. I was so glad that you were there to help me finish it up.
Now we have a hook in our children's bathroom.
And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.